Are you eager to take your Indian bike driving 3D gameplay to a whole new level, wondering how to turn the tides of your gaming experience in your favor? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of cheat codes, those secret combinations that could transform your gaming experience from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's start with the basics. What are cheat codes? In the realm of video games, cheat codes are unique sequences of characters that unlock special abilities, spawn unique vehicles, or even alter the game environment. They're your secret weapon, your ace in the hole. Now onto the main event, Indian bike driving 3D cheat codes. This mobile game, reminiscent of the popular Grand Theft Auto series, offers over 50 cheat codes. That's right, 50 ways to customize your gameplay to make it uniquely yours. First up, we have vehicle spawn codes. These codes allow you to bring a variety of vehicles into your game at will. Imagine cruising through the city on a sleek sports bike or tearing up the countryside on a rugged all-terrain vehicle. The power is in your hands. Next, we have special ability codes. These codes grant you abilities beyond the norm, from super speed to invincibility. With these, you become more than a mere player. You become a force to be reckoned with. Finally, there are environmental effect codes. These codes allow you to alter the world around you. Whether you want to change the weather, create chaos, or simply enjoy a peaceful ride, these codes have got you covered. But how do you use these codes, you ask? It's simple. Just enter the code into the game's cheat code interface, and voila, the power is yours. Remember, these codes are not one-time use. They're yours to use as you please, whenever you please. Whether you're stuck on a difficult level or just want to have some fun, these cheat codes are your ticket to an enhanced gaming experience. In summary, Indian bike driving 3D offers a plethora of cheat codes, from vehicle spawn codes to special ability codes to environmental effect codes. They're easy to use and they offer unlimited usage. So why wait? Unlock your gaming potential today. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to enhancing your Indian bike driving 3D gameplay with cheat codes. Now go forth and game like you've never gamed before.